Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name's Gina and this is Miss Callie Cat. You want to say hi, Miss Callie Cat? Callie? Hello? Say hi. Y'all, today I have an Ipsy bag and an extra order I did on their add-on pop-up thingamabobby. Just a little one. Teeny tiny. So, first I'm going to tell you a little bit about Ipsy. They come in these cute bags. It's a monthly beauty subscription, makeup and beauty. You receive 5 products. You pay $12. You can get a Glam Bag Plus where you'll get 5 full-size products. That's $25. Or you can get the Glam Bag X where you get 7 or 8 products that are specially curated by, you know, the big celebrities, stuff like that. I think the one we're fixing to get in November is Huda Beauty, and you get that one every 3 months and it's $55. If you want to try Ipsy, I do have a link below. I do appreciate it. If you use my link, it does help me to, you know, continue bringing you content. So, oh, pushy kitty cat up here. That's what we got, is a pushy kitty cat. So let me pull this up. I see you. I see you. You silly girl. You want to type on my computer? Yes, you do. You want to type on my computer. She's just rubbing on the side of my computer the whole time. Yes, you are. I see you. I see you. Okay, we'll start with my order history. I got this. Alright, y'all. It's a beauty blender. These are $20 if you order them from anywhere. I got this one for $5 plus tax. So a $5 beauty blender. Hello. Oh my goodness. That's awesome. So that was my little add-on. No, it was just little. Now we're going to look in this box and see what's in here. I think it would be my November bag, but you know, I do get 2 of them. One I'm supposed to be the Huda Beauty, and the other one is just a November bag. So let's see. Let's see what's in here. Yes, November bag. Okay, so it came in this beautiful green velvet bag. It does have the Ipsy written up here, and it's kind of got a little bit of a red stripe down through here. Very cute. It says lush textures, rich gem tones, ornate gold design. November's luxurious glam bag design will help you feel like the royalty you are. Very cute. So the first thing that I pulled out of here is Authentic Beauty Concepts. This is a dry shampoo. I love trying different dry shampoos. Use it a lot, y'all. With these big old curls, you don't wash your hair every day, or they won't stay. So let me click on it and see. This is a clean beauty product. 21 ounces. This is a deluxe sample. There's probably a card in here. Hello. It says Royal Treatment. That is November 2021. And Authentic Beauty Concepts Dry Shampoo. Refresh your second or third day style in seconds with this dry shampoo. With this dry shampoo. It uses rich starch to help absorb excess oil and create soft, workable texture to extend time in between washes. Plus, it helps provide up to 450 degree of heat protection. Tallie's playing in all the paper I got down here. Sorry, y'all. This is a deluxe sample. The MSRP on this is $25. The tip is for best results. Hold the nozzle 8 inches from your hair and scalp before spraying. Also, spray it and then leave it alone for a couple minutes. Let it dry down. Then do your like you were washing your hair. It does make a difference. I don't know why, but it does. I actually split mine into sections, and I'll section it off, spray, section it off, and spray, section it off, and spray. And that's how I do it. And I go back across the back too. So just a little hint. So that was in there. Let's see what's next. I guess I could read this to you. Your throne awaits. Lather on ultra moisturizing formulas adorned with accessories and indulge in extra desserts, because this month it's all about you. That's what it says on the front of the card. New Ipsy gift cards. Treat your friends and family to the best in beauty with the gift card for 1 month or 2 months. Oh, that's cool. Hinkies up. We have a feeling you're fancy these 5 new glam products, valuing it at $50 plus. So this is per 4-in-1 sculpting concealer. In LN2. Finally, a concealer that works its magic both instantly and over time. This lightweight formula helps hide everything from breakouts to dark circles without looking thick or cakey. Plus, it's infused with retinol and antioxidants to help improve your skin tone and features with continuous use. Tip, apply wherever you want coverage, then blend with fingers or concealer brush. This is a deluxe sample. The MSRP on a full-size product is $22. Let's just see what it looks like. Okay. Definitely brighten it up. It looks a lot brighter on camera than it does on me. But yeah, I kind of like that. I'll have to play with it on my eyes to see for sure, but that's how it goes. Okay, this is Cake Naturally Luxe Beauty Heavy Cream, Shea Butter and Vanilla Deep Nourishing. Totally to die for, intensely smoothing body butter balm. I love body butters. Oh my goodness, this is great. This sweet smelling lotion melts into your skin like butter. It soothes, smooths, and hydrates with aloe vera, coconut oil, shea butter, and green tea extract. And it smells yummy without being over the top. Kiss dry winter skin goodbye. Tip, massage it from the neck down for soft, hydrating, baby soft skin. This is a deluxe sample. MSRP on a full size is $8.99. Ooh, so it's not too overpricey either. Okay, you know I can't. I have to open this one for sure. It is sealed, but it's not anymore. Okay, here we go. Oh, just a little, just enough that I can smell it, right? All right, here it goes. Oh, nice thick body butter. Oh, I smell yummy. That's very good. Very, very good. I'm gonna take this with me this weekend. Going to Mom's. Okay, going to the farm, y'all. This is Origins Checks and Balances Froth Face Wash. Okay. It is Frothy face wash. Whether your complexion is dry, oily, or somewhere in between, this gentle cleanser will be a welcome addition to your routine. It uses kelp extract, wheat proteins, and tourmaline to help purify and balance your skin, plus mint essential oils to energize and refresh. This is a deluxe sample. Full size is $25. Tip, massage a small amount into damp skin to create a lather. Rinse with warm water. Like I'll be able to smell anything over the cake. Yeah, I can't smell anything over the cake. But it did look like a nice creamy soap. So the last thing in here, and probably the one thing that I do not love, which is weird because I love palettes, but it's these little quads. I don't know why, but it just seems like I spend forever going through trying to see what's in the little quads, and they just pile up. So I don't know, that's just me. But they're great for gifting. And ooh, this is like this is CHELLA and Vela Beauty Hello Beautiful Rose Shadow Palette. It looks kind of coppery to me, not really rose. Very pretty. Let's see what it says. Amplify your inner glow with this versatile eyeshadow palette. The 4 shades are silky smooth, ultra blendable, and highly pigmented too. You won't find any parabens, gluten, or talc. Just good for you ingredients like vitamin E and coconut oil. This is the travel size. It's $20 value. It says mix and match the matte and shimmer shades to create endless eye looks. Okay. Very cool. I'm not going to touch it right now because I'm not sure. I may give it, but I kind of like the colors. They're kind of cute. They're very fall. Very fall. So that was what was in my Ipsy bag. Look at the inside, y'all. It's that rich red or burgundy. Very, very cute. What did you think? We got the palette. We got the butter. Love the shea butter. The wash, face wash. Dry shampoo. And a little purr concealer. Very cute. And then the great deal on the blender, which I'm probably going to gift, even though I kind of want to keep it, but I kind of think I should gift it. So anyway, y'all let me know what you think. Comment below. I'd love it if while you're down there, you'd press the like button and that little bell that tells you when I put out new videos. And y'all don't forget to go check out the community section. Every once in a while, I'll drop a little text. I'll say something to you. Feel free to comment on any one of them. I do appreciate it. And it does help me get to know you and what you like and what you want to see. So I would also love it if you would subscribe. If you haven't already, I really appreciate it. Y'all, share the video too. Put it on your social media. Let's tell everybody, word of mouth. Hey, watch this channel, Unboxing Discovery by G. Y'all, have a wonderful day and God bless.